go to this website here, Python. We're going to grab this version. This should also work on 3.10 if you have that version. I'm going to grab the 64-bit here. And when you install it, make sure you choose add to path and install now. I disabled the path limit. I don't know why, but did anyways. We're going to open up command prompt as administrator. We're going to check out our version of pip here probably. What we're going to do is actually install we're going to install a package here, ffmpeg. I don't know if this is important, but I install anyways. And I also grabbed this command here, which you'll find in the description as well. Everything is going to be in the description. I'm going to try to make it as much detail as possible. Next thing you need is pytorch, so Google that, or DuckDuckGo, whatever you want to use. And what you want to do is click on getting started. Get started here. And you're going to click on 11.8 of cuda here. This project requires cuda. There probably is a way to modify it. So I just paste that code into a terminal actually, or a command prompt. So now we're going to test to see if pytorch is installed right. So type in python import torch, wait a little bit, and then we're going to type in cuda.is-available. torch.cuda.is_available. And then printable, forgot what they're called, but it should spit out true. Next, what we're going to do is install WebSockets with pip, and then we're also going to install the YouTube downloader, the yt-dlp. And then lastly, we're going to install openai-whisper. So after that's installed, let's test out Whisper. Oh, wait a minute, I'm going to install ffmpeg, I forgot. And then click on the Windows logo, and we're going to go gan dev. We're going to pick up the full version, and that's going to download a 7-zip. So you're going to need 7-zip extractor if you don't have it. I go ahead and I download it on a website called Niante. We'll put that in the link in the description as well. So just search this page. Since there's so many things on here, just type in zip and you'll find it. And after it downloads, install it. And it will automatically do everything. Now we're going to extract ffmpeg in the folder that it's at. This is only temporary. We're going to move the folder and rename it. So here I go, extracting the 7-zip. Okay. I'm going to rename it. I'm just going to take everything off. I'll accept ffmpeg. I'm going to cut it. I'm going to go to the local C drive. I'm going to paste it. And I'm going to make an environment for this so that ffmpeg can be ran anywhere. So I'm going to copy the path for the bin, go into the system environment variables. I'm going to go into the path. I'm going to edit it. I'm going to click on a new row and paste it in and hit OK and OK. And then I gotta close the terminal and run another command prompt, and then type in ffmpeg from anywhere, and you should see it output something. So now we're gonna voice record an example so we can test out Whisper. It's gonna ask you if you want to use your microphone, so I say yes. You're gonna see me do it twice because I messed up, but basically I show the folders. This is a new install, so I have the name extension showing it just so I can see what type of files this makes. It's not really that important. So I'm gonna open up the folder, and then I'm gonna type in command into the paths, cmd into the paths thing, or you can just go into the directory by copying it, type in Whisper, and then the name of the file, and then hit enter. It's gonna download the stuff that it needs so it can change those voice into text. It's going to automatically detect the language as well. So it worked. I'm going to open up a text file here and show you what's inside. So that's what I said. So you're going to download my extension. I'm going to put a link in the description, and we're going to extract it with the 7-zip. Doesn't matter where you put this, you're just going to put it somewhere on your hard drive. And what we're going to do next is open up Chrome, and we're going to type in Chrome extensions. I'll put the link to the thing in the descriptions. Make sure developer mode is on. Load unpacked. We're going to go to the folder where you have the extension. We're going to install it. Now if you like, you can pin the extension. I'm going to show you this. You need to run the listener with the Python command, python.runme.py. It's going to listen before you run it. It's good to have Migaku extension installed. I hope this tutorial is not too confusing, but here I pinned my script. Yeah, I recorded this funny. I'm gonna rerun the listener again. Unfortunately, I'm not really good with editing, but I'm trying my best. So we're gonna hit the extension and hit execute action, and it's gonna download the stuff and then start subtitling it. And after it's done, you can open up the outputted subtitles, and there you go. That's all you have to do. Next, after this, I'm gonna show you a good example where this guy speaks Japanese but only has English subtitles. And then you can use a parser and get all the furigana.